Hey, Coach Greg here with Spell Training, and today we have some back pain relief exercises for you. These are gonna be good, so if you're maybe dealing with some soreness, some stiffness, maybe you slept the wrong way, I think these exercises are really gonna help, so let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'm gonna more demonstrate and explain the exercises while you follow along, and then the second and third set are gonna be more of a complete run through of everything. So let's just get right into our first exercise. So we're gonna start off the bat with some pelvic tilts. Now the thing is, we tend to think that our back pain just registers on our back, but it could be coming from a different place. And sometimes if we're sitting too much or in certain positions, we tend to favor one side or the other. So pelvic tilts are a great way of just getting our body into alignment, because sometimes maybe we're more like this, and maybe sometimes we're too much like this. So the goal is just to exercise those muscles and those little micro movements just to get your body used to just being a stable, strong base. That is the goal of all of this, just to get ourselves to be able to hold ourselves upright. So pelvic tilts, we're gonna do 30 seconds. All we're gonna do is slightly bend our knees. We don't wanna be too rigid, but slightly bend our knees, and we're just gonna focus on tilting back and then bring it forward, just like this. And really squeeze. You can be gentle. You're gonna feel it in your lower back. I know I do. I slept weird this last week, so I've been pretty sore, but something like this always brings me right back. This is also one of the main drivers in an exercise like cat-cows, really just focusing on the lower back and tilting that pelvic inward, just like that. A couple more seconds, 3, 2, one more, and 1. I mean, I already feel a difference already. I'm like, dang, my back feels good. So let's get into our second exercise. We have overhead side reaches. Again, one of the things that we tend to do is maybe if you're standing too long, we tend to maybe like shift our hips to one side. That means all our weight is on one leg and compressing your hip flexor and this side of the oblique, so it can be very like tight and sore. So all we're trying to do, feet a little past shoulder width apart, we're gonna be reaching overhead and really just extending and elongating the side of the body. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's go. Really reach, make sure you're breathing. Let's do the other side. Really reach. I like to reach up as high as I can first, and then I turn it over, and you're gonna feel it all the way up in here, and it feels so good. Just like that. Couple more. Let's do one more this side. 3, 2, 1, and drop. Great job. All right, next we have heel rocks, and this is one of those unorthodox exercises I was talking about. So again, sometimes when your body is unstable, we tend to lean to one side or the other, but we have to remember that our feet are the first point of contact with the ground, which holds up our whole body. So if there's something our feet is doing wrong, it sends a chain reaction all the way up to your spine, and it's maybe trying to overcompensate or stabilize your body, which could be the result in back pain. So something like this, heel rocks, the goal is just to learn to stand with our weight, our center of our weight, in the middle of our foot. Sometimes we're too far back, sometimes we're too far forward. We lock out our knees and it causes discomfort. So all we're focusing on is rocking from our heels all the way to our toes, just like that. Try not to fall over like I did, but just like this, just be really gentle. And if you need, you can hold on to something, just like that. So 30 seconds, and let's go. So this also becomes like a tibialis raise, really helps your shin muscles. Again, you may think like, what does this have to do with back pain? Trust me, it's all these little micro adjustments that over time, you may not see the immediate benefit, but over time, you're gonna notice your posture is improved. Everything just feels way better. So try to also stand upright. Don't be too far forward as you're doing this or too far back. Just be as upright as possible. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last but not least, we have standing forward bends. I love this type of exercise because it's almost like an active recovery stretch. So all we're doing is standing, feet shoulder width apart. We are going to be focusing on hinging from our hips and then going right down, seeing how far we can go. So 30 seconds, like I said, hinge back, Try to keep your back flat until you get here. You're gonna feel a stretch all up in your legs, and then you can slowly round your back and drop and just let gravity do the work. I like to pedal my feet a little bit. Try not to like lock out your legs. You can keep them slightly bent. Just really ease down with each breath. Try to go deeper and deeper. Just like that. Just really round out your back. It's pretty soothing, especially if you're breathing. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and rise back up. Great job. So that was your first set. We are gonna jump into set number 2 now that you know everything. And again, like I said, some of these exercises are like, Greg, this ain't helping my back. You just gotta trust the process, baby. So grab some water and we're gonna get started with set number 2. All right, right off the bat with some pelvic tilts, 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Really tighten your core. Great job. Feel it here. 3, 2, and 1. Next, side reaches or overhead side reaches. 3, 2, 1. Reach. Three, 2, and 1. Heel rocks. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Three, 2, and 1. Last but not least, standing forward bend. 3, 2, 1. Deep breath. Breathe out. There you go. Now one more set to go. We're gonna jump right into it. Pelvic tilts. You ready? Come on. We got this. This is gentle. You shouldn't be too out of breath, but this should feel good, nice and gentle in the body. So starting with pelvic tilts. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Three, 2, and 1. Overhead side reaches. Shake out your hips, shake out your arms. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Heel rocks, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, and 1. Last but not least, standing forward bend. Come on, let's finish strong. 3, 2, 1, let's go. But now you should be able to go real deep. Make sure you're breathing. Three, 2, and 1. Great job. That was your back pain relief exercises. I hope you loved these as much as I did. Like I said, some of them are a little weird, a little different, but try them, add them to your routine, and watch how they change your life. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping from Coach Merrick, Coach Gabby, or myself, Coach Greg. Without further ado, I hope you have an amazing day. Keep strengthening your back. Have a good time. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.